I'm gonna anchor them up and fish as usual. Get some mango snapper. Searching for pompano and permit, if there is any. We are here on this spot. This will be good. Okay, gonna get everything set up and get started. There's nobody out here today except me. The tide is too high, so got something. Look at this mango snapper, number one. This one's 11, so that's a keeper. Gonna try to get limit and go for pompano from there. Got something going on here. Oh, nice. Looks like a permit. First permit. Small. Small permit. So they down here. This one's too baby. This one's small. Release it. Get a bigger one. That was my first permit for fall season. Yeah, permit. All right.
That one's your left.
Yep.
There's a school of them, buddy.
Nice.
Chase them back and forth.
I'm surprised. I was going there for mangrove.
Yeah, you were all the way up there, huh?
Yep.
They're hugging the shore, I bet.
First permit. No, red. Red. Redfish. About 16 and a half. Yeah, this one's keeper. Nice redfish. It's a slow start, but got a couple small permit, but throw it back. Managed to catch one pompano and one permit, few ladyfish and mangrove.